everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your own custom thumbnail. For that, what you'll need to do is go to your gallery and get the photo that you want to edit. So this is the photo that I'll be editing today. So click on the photo and let's edit it. Today I'm using just my phone's editor. You can use any other editors if you like, but I use my own phone's editor. So click on the editor button and then let's edit it. So I'll start by adding some text. Okay, let's add puppet show. Okay, resize it and put it on the side like this. Add another text. Meet Millie and Tilly. All done. So, it's all done. If you want, you can also customize the color as well. So, let's customize the color for now. Like this. Yep, this looks good. Now, let's do it like this and put this thing on the side. And it's done. If you want, you can customize its color again. Like now, he's making it too red. Okay, it's done. So, now let's decorate it with stickers. So let's use this cute little butterfly sticker in here. Another sticker. I'll use my favorite, this flower sticker. Then I'll be using this leaf sticker in here. Yep, it looks just beautiful. Okay, so now our custom thumbnail is done. Now, let's click Save. So, let's save it up. And it's saved. Okay, so our thumbnail is done. So this is the final look of our thumbnail. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, now let's go to the main part. For that, you need a very, very strong internet connection, like a mobile data, or Wi-Fi. So let's go. So today I'm using mobile data. So let's go. Okay, so now I'll be showing you an app that you need, or a website. I'll be showing you two ways to do that. Okay. So now, what you'll need to do is go to this app called YouTube Studio. If you don't have this app, please download it up. So let's click on that. Here we go. It's loading. So you can do that if you don't have any internet connection, you can do that. Okay, so this is my channel. So here you can see your channel dashboard, first of all. Here's my channel name, Anissa's Creative World. You can also see your channel analytics, your latest video performance, and some videos. You can also click on the, okay, so for today and more, like comments. So, so you can click on, so in this video tab, you can click on view more to go to this tab. Or, if you want, you click on this menu icon and then click on here at videos. Done. Now, let's go to the video that we've made a thumbnail. So, this is our video that we're going to add the custom thumbnail. So, click on that. And it's loading. We got it. So, this is our current thumbnail. It's not our own custom thumbnail. Okay, so now click on this pencil icon, like this. It's loading and it's done. Now, here you can edit some more details like title or description. You can change the privacy settings. You can change the audience settings. You can add it to a playlist. Or you can add some tags. Okay, so now for adding a custom thumbnail, we'll be clicking on this pencil icon. like this. And it's done. So there are many types of Google generated thumbnail in here. So I've used this one before I've added a custom thumbnail. So now let's click on here, custom thumbnail. Click on that. And here you will see many type of photos. Your photos page will open. Now click on your own thumbnail. Here your thumbnail setting is done. Tap select. And now tap save. Okay, it's saving and saving. Soon our own custom thumbnail will be added. And it's done. The edits are saved. And now this is our own custom thumbnail. Refresh it. And look over here, our own custom thumbnail. Now let's check this out on YouTube. Now what happens? Let's go back and go to YouTube. Okay, so we are in our videos tab on YouTube, as you can see. And look over here, our own custom thumbnail with the video. So that's how we'll be adding our own custom thumbnail using YouTube Studio app. So let's go back. And now I'll be showing you how to add your own custom thumbnail using the YouTube Studio website itself. So for that, you'll be needing a browser. You can also do that onto your computer. It'll be work very well. So today I'm using the Samsung Internet browser. You can also use Chrome or other browsers. Let's click and add the URL that we're going to using. So the URL is studio.youtube.com. So this is our URL and tap go. Okay, it's loading. Now it'll tell you to get the app to do that thing again. So now we'll be continuing to Studio like this. So it's loading. Okay, it takes a long time sometimes. So it's loaded, I think. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, so it says finally loaded. And now, first of all, when you go to this website, you'll be see that there is a YouTube Studios channel dashboard. Okay, so now you'll be need to do is go to this content page like this. Okay, so it has loaded, I think. Now you'll need to do is click on it in your video like this. So here is our content in here. So click on that and tap the pencil icon over here. Tap on it and then it'll take you to another page. Okay, so here you can do your title, your description. You can add some cards and end screens and upload your own custom thumbnail. That's what we're going to doing today. You can add it to a playlist. You can set an audience. And I think more. You can also edit your videos and see your video analytics. So now we'll be adding our custom thumbnail. So that's why click on here, upload thumbnail, like this. Oh, you need to take some allow, deny, and anything else. Some permissions to give. Okay, so now you need to choose an action. If required, you can take a photo from My Files, Gallery, or File. Now I'll be using the Gallery app. So let's click on it. Okay, so here is our custom thumbnails folder. Let's click on that. And then let's select our thumbnail, like this. And then the custom thumbnail is added. So now what you'll need to do is to click this save button over here, like this. And then I think your own custom thumbnail is added. So it will load a little bit, I think, like mine. Okay, so let it load. And it is done. So your custom thumbnail is saved. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Then refresh it like this. So it needs to refresh because we have done it in the app. We've done it in the website, not the app. So, and let's zoom it for now. And look over here, our custom thumbnail. Now let's check that on YouTube again. Okay, so now I'm using the YouTube website again because I'm using the URL right now. So youtube.com. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here is our YouTube app. Go to the video library. Then your videos. And this is my channel, I think. Actually, this is my channel. So then our own custom thumbnail. It is added. And now let's click on the video and see that if this is really added or not. Click on this video. Let me reduce the volume for now. Okay. And this is our video today. Let's like it for now. Okay. So our custom thumbnail is added and nothing happened to the video. Okay. So now you have learned how to add your own custom thumbnail in 2 methods. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.